Northeast Factory Direct in Euclid. Alex, the owner, is with us, and you know, everybody gets so excited when the weather finally starts getting nice here in Northeast Ohio. I feel like it is definitely patio season.
It is, and what we've done is we've added a huge selection of patio furniture and bought our top sellers by the truckloads. This is our dining room groups. So this is actually made out of eucalyptus, which is a little bit different than teak because it doesn't fade over time, and it's got this like distressed antique coastal finish. We have your cast aluminum sets. These tables are only $9.95.
So pretty too. It's got sectional things over here as well.
Yeah, so we have our sectionals, we have couches. Like this particular couch here, this actually is a part of the same group as that dining room. This thing's only $6.99. You can make this as big or as small as you want.
Again, this looks like it could be inside.
Right.
It's that nice waterproof.
It's that Nubella fabric that stands up to all the elements outside.
Ooh, speaking of outside, I feel like people are going to be interested in hot tubs too this time of year.
Yeah, so proud of the hot tubs that we have. The great thing is we have spas starting at $2,500 that you can take home with you and be using in that same afternoon. We've been committed since day one for having the best price, and now we guarantee it.
Well, we want everybody to check them out, Northeast Factory Direct, all of their locations, or visit northeastfactorydirect.com. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.